Hi friends! My name is Akino. Welcome to my cooking channel, Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. My channel is all about Japanese food and most of the videos are easy to follow but still maintaining an authenticity of Japanese cuisine. I will guide you step-by-step instructions so that you can recreate delicious Japanese food at home. Let me talk a little bit about myself today. My first language is Japanese, obviously. I was born and raised in Japan. I was an English major and I worked for a trading company in Osaka for 7 years after graduation. The headquarters was in Lausanne, Switzerland, and my boss was Swiss, and I really like working with colleagues and bosses from all over the world. I quit the company when I was pregnant because I was so busy. I frequently on business trip, not only in Japan but sometimes to Europe. I started preparing to start my own business while I was pregnant. Baking was my passion since I was a child. I started my small pastry shop 16 years ago, and my son was 18 months at the time. I was so busy, but I was so happy at the same time. Some of the customers asked me to teach baking, and I started teaching at my shop. I had been running the business and teaching at my shop since then. So I had been watching how and when the beginners make mistakes, and I want to tell you how to avoid the failure, and I want your baking to be successful. And about 4 years ago, one of my friends asked me to teach wagashi in English to foreign tourists. That was the life-changing moment. I was able to communicate in English when I worked at the office, but I lost the opportunity to talk in English for 12 years at the time, so I started learning English on YouTube. I have watched videos 8 hours a day for a month. The lesson was successfully done, but I felt something is missing. I didn't want to waste what I have learned in English, and I thought I should start teaching on YouTube because I have skill to share. But I couldn't speak English well. I am not that fluent. However, when I take a look at Maangchi, who is a Korean cooking queen, she was so successful, she encouraged me to start my YouTube channel in English. That's why I am here. Now I took over my business to a non-profit organization to help the economical independence for the disabled people. And I quit teaching at my place, but on YouTube. My true passion is to share Japanese food to make you healthy and happy. Now we are getting through the tough time, including me, but still the life is going on. I hope my videos are helpful for you to stay strong and stay healthy. Thanks for tuning in, and I appreciate your continuous support, and I want to continue like this until I become a grandmother. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you in the next videos. Bye!